not a secret I tried to hide. I know you want me, so don't keep saying the hands are tied. Your claim is not in the cards, and fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're hearing my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? And what if we